Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I wanted to share with you a really simple and easy everyday, like back to school, work, all of that kind of stuff makeup look, because I feel like I haven't done one in forever and I was asking you guys on Instagram what videos you want me to film, and so many of you were saying school makeup, work makeup, everyday makeup, and it's been a while since I've last filmed one, so I thought I would share with you guys my sort of updated everyday back to school work makeup look. So yeah, I also included my hair in this video as well. Really simple. It's just probably my most go-to makeup look at the moment. So, sorry about the noise in the background. My windows are shut and there's works going on and I feel like I'm shouting to the camera. I'm like, so annoying. But anyway, if you want to know how to get this hair and makeup look, then please keep watching. I always nod, I don't know why. So I am currently barefaced at the moment and my hair's like up in this bun because I normally like sleep with my hair like this because I like it out of my face and then I'll just do it in the morning. So look at all these little baby hairs, they like stick out. Let's try and tuck them under. Okay, there we go, let's just leave it like that. So after I've washed my face, the next thing I am going to do is just cleanse my face with this Garnier Soothing Botanical Rose Water. Sort of like micellar water basically. I love this, I feel like it just wakes me up during the day. It's amazing. Like before you do your makeup, especially when you're hungover, it's the nicest feeling. And like if you're waking up for school or work, it'll really wake you up a bit. It's quite cool. You can also put it in your fridge and it's like extra cold. In the summer, it's literally the best thing ever. It's like, So a lot of you guys know I do get my lashes done by my faves at ASJ Lashes. It's sort of near Brighton, like in Shoreham. They are my favourites. I love them so much and I get them done all the time. So it made it like I'm cheating, but I would just put mascara on in this video. So instead of, if you've got individual lashes then perfect, but if not then just use mascara. But I'll go into detail in that when I get to that point of my face. But yeah, just to clarify, because I know a lot of you guys are going to be like, what, you've already got fake lashes on? They're like individuals and they like are like semi-permanent, so they're glued to my actual lashes. So yeah, I get them done all the time, but I love them. I forgot my moisturiser, I need to go and get it, one sec. So yeah, a lot of you guys have been asking me what you want me to film, and a lot of you, there we go, I've been asking a lot of you, and a lot of you were saying like a back to school work / makeup look, so that's what I'm going to do. So for moisturiser, I'm then going to use my favourite. If you've watched my videos before, you know what it is, but I'll leave all the products that I use in the description box down below. If you did want to purchase them, see how much they are, all of that kind of stuff. Cute. Moving on to brows, I have two products that I absolutely adore and they are both from Benefit. So the first one is the Goof Pro Brow Pencil in the shade 5. Perfect colour for me. And then I use the 24-hour brow setter. This gel is unreal. What? I actually can't go over my hair. Like, oopsie. Sorry, my moisturiser hasn't like gone in properly. So yeah, I use these two and the combo is just unreal. I love it. So I basically obviously just use this end first, map out my brows, and then I use the spoolie, just go back and forth. It's really simple. I have had my eyebrows tattooed on, so it is a lot easier for me to do my brows because I can just follow it and I just do it on like the sparse areas, and then just keep going back and forth. So yeah, that's literally it. Okay, so I have just carved out my brows with some foundation just to make sure they're a bit sharper. So I'm now going to go in with the 24-hour brow setter and literally just set my brows in place and they'll stay there all day. They literally won't budge. It's amazing. Okay, so moving on to foundation, I'm going to use this one from Benefit and it is called Hello Happy and it is in shade 6. The reason I'm using this, and make sure you shake it before, the reason I'm using this is because it is such a lightweight foundation and it's really perfect for everyday use and I've been loving it at the moment. It's sort of light to medium coverage, which is nice because you don't look too cakey in a way and it's not like, oh, you're going out. It's really light, but it also covers like your redness and things like that. So I love it. My brows are really dark today. I don't know why. Do you think that? I feel like they look really dark. I feel like I do need a shade darker though, especially because I'm going away to Jamaica soon. And like, I'm gonna tan, so I think I need to go and get myself shade darker, maybe 2 shades darker. Like even when you go on holiday, I feel like this foundation's perfect because your skin can still breathe and it's so nice. I can't get over my baby hairs. Right, I think we need to wipe my foundation off my lips. For concealer, I'm just going to use my favourite Maybelline Fit Me concealer. I feel like this... Oh, I've got hair on my face. I feel like this concealer is really buildable. So it's really perfect for everyday use, for when you go out with your friends. So you can sort of do it like layer by layer. But I'm just going to apply this amount and then start with the outside and go in. That's it. So after you've sort of blended in the concealer, I'm then going to set it in place with my favourite Stay Matte powder. Where's my brush? So I'm going to use like a pointed brush and look up and just get rid of the creases. And then what I'm really quickly going to do is just get the brush with the massive fluffy brush. Get the brush with the brush, get the powder, put the brush in the powder, that's it. And then just blend it over. Because this is like a quick makeup. Obviously I'm showing you and it's a bit like slower because I'm going in detail. But when you just do it, it's quite quick and easy. I feel like my brows are extra dark today. I don't know why. But in the camera they do. This is so weird. For bronzer, I'm going to use this one from BH. It's in the shade Bronze Babe. And I use like a massive fluffy brush because in the mornings, oh god, it's quite easy to blend up. But in the mornings, it's really, really simple and easy to just blend it in. So I'm not going to pop anything like eyeshadow on my eyes. What I am going to do is get some highlighter. I like to use sort of a goldy one. Literally just put this in my tear-duct brow bone and then the bridge of my nose and then my cupid's bow because it sort of just brightens your face. Obviously I need to blend this in, but it really just brightens your face. When you blend it in a bit, it's quite subtle. I feel like it looks good. Moving on to mascara. At this point, if I didn't have my lashes, I would just put mascara on my top ones and the bottom. But because I've already got my individual lashes, I'm going to brush them out with a spoolie just to make sure that they're all like in place. And then for mascara, literally just use any of your choice. I got sent this one from YSL the other day, and it is their new Volume Effect mascara. It's actually insane. No, this is the primer. So basically they've come up with 2 new mascaras. This is the primer and then this is the normal one. You can buy them separately, but I haven't tried the primer one because obviously I think it's better to do it on your top. But here we go. The normal mascara one looks like this. It's really bizarre, but it's really good. So I'm just going to use that for my bottom lashes. Sorry. Be prepared for my mascara face. It's coming. It's coming. Oh. When I do like more natural looks, I feel like blusher is a really important part about it because I feel like it just brightens. Drop it on the floor. I feel like it just brightens your look a bit. I actually can't go over this. I look like I've got 2 horns on my head. But yeah, I feel like it really, really brightens your look up a bit. It makes you look more peachy, more awake. So the blush I am using is from Ciate. It's my favourite at the moment. It's so cute. And it's called Summer Love. I literally I love it, and it's just really buildable as well. You sort of want to blend it into your bronzer. And then for highlighter, I'm going to use this one from Iconic London. I basically just mix all of these and then I just lightly go in. Okay, and then for the last bit, moving on to lips, I'm going to use my new favourite combo ever. So it's the Rimmel Cappuccino Lip Liner, and then it is the Jamie Genevieve MAC lipstick with her collaboration. It's the perfect nude. I do feel like it comes off quite quickly. That's all I can really say. So I kind of feel myself applying it a lot because it's really creamy, but it's a bit glossy at the same time in a way. So that's the only thing. But it is really, really lovely. It's a perfect colour ever. Perfect. So at this point I would apply setting spray, but I've run out. So I need to go to the shop and get myself some more setting spray. But if you've got some, then spray your face because it will help a lot. So at this point it is now time for me to do this barnet on my head and get rid of these little bits that are just gonna fly away. Oh my god, this is too much. I can't deal. What I'm gonna do is put my hair into like 3 different sections. First one I'm going to do from like my eyebrows. I should probably sit up a bit. So I can't deal. So I did wash my hair yesterday, so it is sort of fresh-ish still. I'm just going to brush it out. I am also going to film for you guys my hair care video, because a lot of you wanted to see that and I didn't think you would, but you did, so I'll film that for you soon. For this I can't talk. For heat protecting spray, make sure you always use it because it takes 2 seconds to spray it. It's not going to look like, it's not a big deal. So this is a Magic Quick Dry Potion from Cloud9. They sent me a bunch of their products. It's really cool. This is a heat protecting spray and also reduces drying time, which is really, really cool. But my hair's not wet, but I'm just going to use it as a heat protecting spray because it also smells really, really nice. Then I'm literally just going to straighten my hair. I'm going to use the Cloud9 straighteners, and these are the thicker barrel ones. This isn't a spawn at all. They just sent me stuff and I just really like their products. So I'm going to spray some of this heat protecting spray in my hair. It smells so good. And I'm literally just going to straighten my hair. The reason I got the thick barrel, they sent me their thin barrel ages ago, but I wanted to get the thick one because it is actually so much easier to do your hair. Who would have thought a thick barrel would be quicker? But no, honestly, I'm in love. So definitely invest in the thick barrel for your hair because it really does make a difference. Okay, what I'm now going to do is apply some oil to my hair. This is the Beauty Works Argan Oil Serum. I just pump like a pump and a half on my hand, rub it in, and then just evenly spread it through my hair. And it really just helps the straight stay, if that makes sense. And it makes it look really shiny and really glossy, and I love it. So everyone, this is the final result. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you have, then you know what to do. You know the drill by now. Make sure you guys also follow me on my Instagram. I love talking to you guys on there. I love DMing you. So yeah, make sure you guys follow me on there too. And I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. And I will see you guys in my next video.